Are you trying to stop all those recurring charges on your Cash App card but can't figure out where to cancel them? Don't worry, Unfup. In this quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to cancel every single subscription tied to your Cash App card. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss an important step that could save you money. First, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged into the account connected to your Cash App card. Once inside, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Now scroll down and look for support. Tap on it, and under the Contact Us section, select Chat. This will open a chat window with Cash App support. Here's the key part. Type a clear message like, "Hello, I'd like to cancel all my Cash App card subscriptions." Then hit Send. You might not get an instant reply, and that's totally normal. Make sure your app notifications are turned on so you'll see when support responds. When they reply, you can confirm that you want every subscription linked to your card canceled. They'll guide you through the process and let you know when it's done. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've reached out directly to Cash App to stop all your card subscriptions at once. No more surprise charges. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and check the description below for more helpful Cash App tips.